Quality of bartender. A quality bartender possesses several important qualities that are essential for providing excellent customer service and running a successful establishment. These qualities include knowledge of drinks and mixology. A quality bartender should have a thorough knowledge of different types of drinks, mixology techniques, and be able to make a wide range of drinks to suit customers' needs. Customer service skills. A quality bartender should have excellent customer service skills, including the ability to engage in conversation, provide recommendations, and handle customer complaints in a professional manner. Time management and multitasking skills. A quality bartender should be able to manage their time effectively, multitask, and be able to handle a high volume of customers during busy times. Attention to detail. A quality bartender should pay attention to detail, ensuring that drinks are made to the correct recipe and that the bar area is clean and organized. Physical stamina. A quality bartender should have the physical stamina to work long shifts and be able to move quickly and efficiently during busy times. Responsible service of alcohol. A quality bartender should understand the laws and regulations related to serving alcohol and should be able to identify and refuse service to anyone who is visibly intoxicated. Professionalism. A quality bartender should present themselves professionally at all times, with a well-groomed appearance and by maintaining a respectful and professional attitude towards customers and colleagues. Overall, a quality bartender should possess a combination of technical knowledge, customer service skills, and personal qualities that are essential for providing excellent customer service and running a successful establishment.